Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Phantom Strategies. So in this video, let's talk about Ripple. It's been a while since we covered Ripple on the channel, so let's talk about Ripple. Let's look at the technicals, what are some of the upcoming events in Ripple, and all those good stuff. Alright, so before we get it started, make sure if you're new to the channel to subscribe to the channel and hit those notification and those bell icons so you get this content right away. And if you think these videos are helping you with your trading, with your investing in crypto market, then please do give me thumbs up. That really do mean a lot. Alright, so that being said, let's get it started. Ripple is trading around 49 cents right now. And if you see that, I'm looking at the Ripple to USD pair. This data is coming from Kraken exchange. We are in a falling wedge pattern, which is a more bullish pattern than it's bearish, but it takes a falling wedge is a pattern which, like, the price action gets, like, squeezed at the downward channel, almost like a funnel type of action, where it gets really squeezed. And when, like, the trading gets narrow, it becomes like, there's a pressure on the upward side which makes it break out toward the upward side more often than not. Right, so that is falling wedge. It's a more bullish pattern, just like rising wedge. It's a rising wedge is a bearish pattern. Falling wedge is a bullish pattern. All right, so on the upward side of one of the resistance that we should be looking at is about 55 cents, and I'm going to mark those level in red dotted line. So I have said it previously on the video, the red dotted line will act as a resistance, the blue dotted line will act as a support. Alright, and anything that, let's say if this previously it was providing us the support, the 55 cents was providing us the support, now going up it will act as a resistance. So those are the things. It's pretty simple, so we want to make sure we are keeping it simple and not trying to make it overly complicated with multiple indicators and all some other, like, techniques. If you keep the charts, if you keep the technical analysis simple, that will serve you better, because a lot of time when you try to put too many things in a chart, it will give you a different or conflicting signals. So that's why you want to have a pretty clean and, like, simple chart, not to overdo yourself, because that will obviously, it will be more conflicting rather than helping you with your trading. Because, like, this is, think of chart or TA or technical analysis as a tool to help you. The more complex you get, you will have conflicting signals. If you keep it simple, it will be much, like, you will understand it much better, and it will be easy to follow as well. All right, so right now I come to coin checkup. I came to CoinCheckup actually, and I was looking at some of the news in Ripple. One of the things that I really liked is Ripple made a largest donation of cryptocurrency to public school. I mean, I really, I'm a big advocate of making donations to a good cause. Honestly, this is something that's very, like, personal to me. I like, even when I was in my early trading days, in my, like, an early career in trading, whenever I had a good days or good month, I used to make donations for certain profit that I was making even back then. So that is something is really close to me, and I keep on doing those things, and I just feel a little bit better about, like, making those donations, to be honest with you. And it just, I just think it's a good karma. So and I really, like, support the projects that who try to do, like, this kind of social work and trying to help in whatever capabilities they have, whether they're donating their time, money, or, like, coins, whatever it is. But helping and giving back to the society, it just feels, it just makes you feel like a little bit better about yourself. So I mean, I have been doing it since my early trading career, since a couple of decades, and I continue to do so. And I mean, if you have done pretty well in the last couple of years in crypto market, and I know a lot of people who do it, and so think about doing something like that. Maybe if you don't want to donate your time, donate money, then donate your time to some good cause. It will just mentally, it will bring you some peace and make you a little bit better feel better about yourself. All right. So that being said, they have some events. I looked on some of the events. They're getting listed on block bid. So there's a listing coming for on this Ripple XRP. I don't know why I was thinking about Verge. I was looking at it just because there is a price action moving up, so I was looking about it just a few minutes ago. Anyways, so Ripple is coming on block bid on April 15th. So there is going to be another exchange where you will be able to trade Ripple. So that's a good news, and that's a positive news for Ripple. And that's pretty much only event that I see that's kind of worth mentioning about Ripple. And there's added to Revolt. So I need to get more information about it. I'm not sure exactly what it is, but the April 15th one, that's the one that should be interesting. There is another exchange that is getting added on. All right, going back to the technicals, on the downward we have about 45 cents, which is acting as a support. Then after that the second support level will be around 40 cents. All right, so 45 cents and then the 40 cents. Again, I want to reiterate the fact that this breakout will really happen with the overall market conditions, right? If the overall market is breaking out, then this kind of breakout will occur. All right, and I have a feeling that you will see some kind of breakout in next 24 to 48 hours in this market. A lot of the altcoins, a lot of even Bitcoin, they're coming to that junction where there will be imminent breakout. Whether it's going to be a upside or downside, we will have to wait and see. But I'm more biased toward the bulls on the upside, just because I feel like the selling pressure has decreased, and the sellers are getting tired of selling, and that what it does is it removes the sellers out of the market, and the remaining ones will be the buyers, which creates that short squeeze and this upward momentum. And I'm seeing a lot of those in altcoins, in Bitcoin. So I feel if there's enough push on the upward side, you will see that bounce in the overall market within next 24 to 48 hours. All right. And obviously, Ripple will be in it. So if it breaks this pink falling trend line, then on the upward side, the first target that I'm looking at will be around 55 cents. That will be the first one, and then the second one will be around 60 cents in Ripple. All right, so keep those. I'm gonna mark this so we are aware of those points. All right, so just to recap, right now Ripple is in falling wedge pattern. There will be some breakout in overall market within 24 to 48 hours. A lot of the altcoins are seeing that they're coming up against that resistance line for that breakout. So if there is enough push on the upward side, there will be a breakout in Bitcoin and in a lot of altcoins, just because the selling pressure has decreased in last day or so. And I have a feeling that there are more the sellers are, whatever the weak hands that we had in the market are getting out of the market, or not that active in selling right now. Okay. On downward side for Ripple, we have 40 cents as 45 cents as one of the support levels, and then we have 40 cents as a second support level. All right. So that's pretty much it on Ripple. The key event that is coming up for a month of April is the listing of Ripple on Blockbit exchange. So there's another exchange where you can trade Ripple. All right. So that's pretty much it, guys. Let me know if you have any questions, any other altcoins you want me to cover. I wanted to keep this simple. It's been a while since we covered Ripple. It's one of the good coins that I continue to hold, and you know, I see a lot of potential in Ripple, especially like, you know, they do tend to work with the, like, you know, institutional banks. So there is a lot of opportunities there, and they do have a proven team. It's not a startup anymore. It's more of a, you know, mature project. Okay, so that's pretty much it, guys. I will talk to you soon, and let me know if you want me to cover any other coins.